right, the moment we have all been waiting for. Ladies and gentlemen, meet Pegasus 2.0. This is my new baby. This is a 2003 Honda Shadow 750 VT. I upgraded from Pegasus to Pegasus 2.0. Honestly, I couldn't change the name because there is no name better than Pegasus. The baby has beautiful custom-made bars. So excited, I got her from Jersey. She is used. She's amazing. She's a lot stronger and a lot faster than the Honda Rebel 250 that I had. I've reached probably like 90 with her, and that was the first night that I bought her. Oh, it was so amazing. I definitely feel like she's a lot stronger. I love the chrome pipes. She's definitely a lot louder. And as you can see, she has 2 cylinders. She's so sexy. But we have my little nephew. Hello, he's a future biker. We're cleaning our bikes today. So I wanted to show you guys the brand new and improved Pegasus. So this is what I'm going to be riding when you guys see the new vlogs that I have going on. I'm going to show you guys also my brother's bike, which is so sexy. He got a custom-made bobber. Yours is a Suzuki Intruder, right?
Yeah, it's an 02 Suzuki Intruder, 800 VL.
And his is a little stronger than mine. How fast does yours go?
110.
Nice. Oh, it's not that far away from mine. I thought it was a lot like a lot stronger. Yeah, we've ridden on the highway. Yes. Of course, I'm gonna play with you. I'm gonna play with you right now. But yeah, guys. So this is what you will be seeing from now on. I still have to get a few things done. I just had her indicator lights removed and changed. I got a new light bulb on the back. I do want to change up a few things, and in the future I am going to change her color, but I love the streak. It's funny because I had a picture on the back of my phone screen with so I want a Chevy Nova, the Super Sport, so sexy, and the same exact like color and design of it was on the back. So when I found her, I'm like, oh my god, she looks like a fucking muscle car, and I was so excited. So this is it. She even has custom handlebars. She has skulls at the end of the handlebars. I don't know if you guys can see from here. It's my baby now. So I hope you guys enjoy her. I'm going to be going on a lot of rides with her this summer. The weather is getting good here in New York City, and we are ready to ride and rumble. Hope you guys are ready.
Leaning left, oh I zoom, zoom, zoom. When I rev, I go vroom, vroom, vroom. Ride a shot.